It is a great day for event marketers because there is light at the end of the very dark tracking and attribution channel that we have all been in since 2021, when platforms like Meta enabled users to opt out of tracking, meaning that if you click don't allow, then you go and buy a ticket on someone's ticket page, aka yours, you won't be able to actually track the conversion or track the user. Therefore, you may have been seeing that you were getting $20 per sale attribution, but really it was actually 15 or 10, but the algorithm doesn't know it, therefore it can't optimize the performance, and it just sits at one certain level of mediocre performance. It doesn't let the platform really dial up and go out and find people who are buying tickets because it's not measuring everyone that's buying tickets. But now, as you guys can see, and you may have seen the media release yesterday, this company Seeker has come out and created a solution to these problems. So this is the homepage of their site, and all the news came out yesterday that they had integrated with Oztix, which, as I said, is great news for us event marketers. So for you, the big, I guess, roadblock is probably the technical side of it and the implementation side of it. So that's what I wanted to take you guys through today. So whether you use Oztix or whether you use another ticketing platform, rolling out a solution like Seeker is definitely a good idea, and it's definitely something that I would recommend that you sign up to and integrate it with all of your platforms. It integrates with Google Ads, Meta, TikTok, Pinterest, etc., etc. You can stitch all the data together. But as I said, if you don't use Oztix, or in the meantime, there are other solutions. So if you go into your events manager in Meta, and this is just talking about Meta specifically, so maybe right at this moment, you're not running Google Ads or TikTok ads or anything like that. So just from a Meta point of view, if you go into your events manager from your ads manager, so click into events manager here, this will take you through to here, and then go into your data sources. You can scroll down and you can see connect to an API conversions gateway. Then you'll hit connect, and it will take you to a login screen. So you can see here, Stape is the platform that you use. So what you need to do is you actually need to go to this website, and I'll link it in the email. You need to go to Stape and start a trial, sign up. It's only $10 a month. And then once you start your account, once you get to this point, you connect your account, log in, and you will then see, here's one I prepared earlier, your connection will be active here. What this actually does is it bypasses the tracking, or it gives a backdoor, so to speak, of the tracking issues, and it allows Meta to talk to your ticket page and actually send these signals back and track a lot more conversions than it was doing in the past, which increases your performance because it's sending more data back to Meta. It's saying, hey, these are the types of people that are buying tickets. Go out and find me more of these types of people. Therefore, you're just going to sell more tickets. That's the reality of it. So this is kind of a two-pronged video. As I said, if you are using Oztix, great. If you're not, you can sign up to Seeker and go through and connect all of your platforms. But for a much sort of easier, low-hanging fruit, if you're just using Meta, you can go and use Stape, which is already integrated in the back end of Meta. Connect your accounts, and bang, you'll be away. You will absolutely see an increase in conversions and an increase in performance and an increase in ticket sales. And hey, don't we all want that? So this is just a bit of an introductory video to this whole piece. As I go through and investigate more, speak to these guys, I'm going to keep you guys updated on exactly what's happening and how you can start to integrate platforms like Seeker, that there's going to be copycats. But the overall message is that this is very, very, very good news for us event promoters who have always struggled with having the third-party tracking on the ticket sites, especially with, say, Facebook's or Meta's conversions API, which we struggled to get domain verification and things like that. So all you need to know is it's really, really good news, and I'm going to keep you guys updated as we go.